Hey guys, what's going on? It's a nice 50-some degree day today, getting towards the end of March, and I'm out here tinkering in the workshop and messing with the blazer a little bit today. But I got something I want to show you guys, something that Christopher Walker sent me. So we got kind of a, well, not an unboxing, but an unpackaging today. So stick around and I'll show you what he sent me. It's pretty cool.
Check this.
So what did he send me? Let's check it out. Oh, this is cool stuff. Some lanyards. Looks like some keychains. What this is Christopher Walker is the owner of Loud Tool Tools, and he has made some essentially screwdrivers or gain adjusters for adjusting your gains on amplifiers. Now he prints those, so he sent me a whole bunch of goodies here, so let's check it out. So Christopher contacted me a while back and said, hey, this is what I do when I want to do something for you. And I said, okay, cool. What are you going to do? He's like, I'll surprise you. So he made these on his 3D printer. And he shipped them to me. He makes all kinds of stuff. His rates or his prices on these are pretty reasonable. And he made these really, really cool gain adjusters. And if you look real close, not only does he have his logo on it, but he put Basscop on it too, which is sweet. These gain adjusters. So these are plastic, non-metallic. So these are perfect for adjusting your gains, obviously, and perfect for getting in those tight spots, because we know how we are, and we cram stuff in vehicles, and sometimes it's hard to get to our gains. And let's be frank, it's kind of dangerous getting in there with a little screwdriver or a metal screwdriver or whatever, with the way some of our leads and our power wires and stuff are. It can be kind of finicky getting in there. I know version 1.5 of the Blazer was a bear to adjust my gains, and these would have came in very handy had I had them then. And not only that, you could put them on a lanyard, hand it around your neck. That way you've always got it, especially if you're tuning and adjusting things. So this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Like I said, Christopher Walker at Loud Tools. I will put links to him in the description down below. Pretty neat, pretty neat. So let me go grab an amp off the shelf, and I'll demonstrate adjusting the gain. Okay, I grabbed an amp off the shelf, and what better amp to use this on than a dealer line Audiopipe, an APDLI 2001D. So let's check this out. All the gains are on this end, obviously, as with most amplifiers. Pretty simple. I mean, you guys all know how to adjust gains, but this can get in there. Turn your gain. Turn your low pass. Your subsonic filter. And we all know we don't mess with bass boost or bass boost frequency. But I think it's a pretty cool idea. If you guys need something like this, they're even got a larger end on it here. If you got halfway large hands like I do, makes it easier for them. Just get right in there when you're tight spots and adjust your gain as needed. So again, thank you, Christopher Walker, very much for making those and sending those to me. That's some of the coolest things that somebody's ever made for me. And if you guys want to get something like this, or see if he can make you something, which he can make all kinds of stuff, I will put all the links to him in the description down below in the video here. So go check him out, order you some stuff. He can make some really cool stuff, guys. Again, I just was totally cool for him to do that. And again, I really, really appreciate it. So go check him out, order you some loud tools, and get your gains adjusted or whatever else that you think you may need that he can make you. So check it out. Again, I can't praise enough. Thank you. That was really cool. And in closing, go grab you some. Like I said, I'm repeating myself now. But anyways, get you some. And I appreciate it very much, Christopher Walker. So until next time, guys, bass on.